going to tell you what's happening in the market today, what has happened in the market today. And one of the things that we can see in the market at a time 5 minute chart was that we had a huge gap down and it was pulled back throughout the whole day. And we had seen this beautiful day and ending in green and not even moving a bit. Okay, we had 63 points up move. And so, what are we? Are we in a big stock market bubble? So that's what the topic of the video is today, and how we are going to know if we are in one. Okay, so this is the FII DI data. The FIIs are selling for somewhere around 1244 crores and the DIIs are buying are 138 crores. Okay, FIIs are the foreign instruments and the foreign institutes, and obviously as they are foreigners or something like that, they must have more money. They always have so much money that they don't need any leverage and this and that. But as you can see, they are selling so heavily, but too the market was rising today, and we don't know what's happening here because obviously this is an index. Nifty 50 is an index, and since it's an index, we don't have the accurate volume that shows how much trade has been taken today. But if we look at the futures chart, we might get some idea. So this is the sorry, Nifty June futures. Okay, it was a really good volume here in the futures, but we really don't know what's happening here. And also that there is going to be a Reliance AMG upcoming soon. That's on the 24th June. Okay, if we have something here, okay, let's check. Let me check. Yeah, yeah. No events currently here, but there is going to be Reliance AMG event on the 24th, and that might be a positive sentiment for the market. And so we might have a up move today because of that Reliance AMG is here, and we might be looking at a positive news. Okay, so that's why the Reliance stock has been rallying for a couple of days. As you can see, it's given a breakout here from 2015 to 2073, sorry, 2007, 2278 is the top year, and that has been a fabulous rally for Reliance. And we might see what if the news is positive, we might see that Reliance might go above also, but we don't know yet and how it's going to be. We will see. Okay, and the next thing is that the FIs are selling heavily. Just the DIs are buying for around 138 crores, and that's a really not a huge amount compared to the FIs selling. And once the both of them start sharing a hand and sharing the game, that is both of them selling, we can see a really huge downfall. Okay, and this might be a trap for the retailers because they might create a scenario where they will say that the bull market is still there, the bull market is still intact, but we know that the data suggests something else. Okay, so this is one of the things I wanted to tell you. And also the index today was in pretty much green, only the IT sector was taking the beat. Okay, let's check at the IT sector. Not here. This is the IT sector, so that was also in green only, as you can see. Okay, it also had its rally and it will surely subpar this level, that is the 28,413 levels. So keep an eye on this if you are having any holdings in the IT sector. And also I too do have holdings in the IT sector. There is going to be another video about my holdings, but that won't be anytime soon. So I'm currently rallying on PSU Banks rally and also on the IT sector rally, and I have some of my best picks of the year and I'll be sharing that too soon. So this is one of the levels that can be broken out by Nifty I did tomorrow. And this if you see at the chart, this is also not a really big up down move or something like that to say that this was a heavy loser today, but this was in good greens. Okay, not a big fall for Nifty IT also. So most basically and mostly what I can see is that almost all the indexes are green today, all the sub sectors are green today, but the world indices are still in red and it has been bleeding currently. So we have to see what will happen next, and also that if it's a trap, how we can retaliate. Okay, so for the next 1 week or so, please don't trade anything, please don't go long on anything, just wait and watch for the market. That might be the best thing to do. That is also a trade. If not, that is that not taking a trade is also a trade. So I want you all to Follow my suggestions. If you want to follow my suggestions, don't take any loans or don't add anything to your portfolio currently. Let this phase go off, let the dust settle, and we will see what will happen next. And the next thing I want to do was a stock suggestion. This is the Khadim stock. Okay, just a second. Khadim. And now here what is, if you see on a daily candle, as I am a swing trader, I am looking at these kinds of stock and these kinds of breakout. So as you can see, there is a really good breakout here with huge amount of volume. So I want you all to have a consideration of picking this stock into your portfolio, and this is not a buy or sell signal, and I will be looking at around 400 rupees profit here. If you want, I can draw those levels for you all. Okay, so let us draw some resistance and support. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Yeah, we are on. So this was a really good breakout. So one of the biggest resistances at this point, that is 271, but we still have a long way to go to reach that point. And by today's buying in this stock, we can see a bit of consolidation, or we might see a really good uptrend here. It might rally for some days, and we want to capture that rally. So please consider a risk appetite, and also if you should invest or not. Please do an in-depth analysis on this. If you're new to market, please stay away from this stock, because it might be a no-brainer for us too, and it can also induce us loss. So I will write a target, sir. So this is the first target. Target one and target two. Okay, these are our targets, and please, before investing into any stock from anyone, please do your own analysis. Okay, I see a breakout here, I shouldn't enter, because sometime this stock might consolidate here. This stock might consolidate, wasting your time, and it may never give a breakout. Okay, so why waste? Just wait. Okay, enter when you know how to enter in breakouts and not. Okay, thank you. This is for today. Thank you.